Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and this class is Prodigy Series for ICSE 10th, and we will be doing the one shot of quadratic equations. So, as you all know, in one shot video, guys, what we'll do, we'll be revising all the theory part once again, and we'll solve all the questions related to it just to have a quick revision. So, these one shot videos are going to help you a lot when you're doing your quick revision. And starting part, you can utilize it for just revising all the formulas, all the theories, and the questions you can revise to see what are the different types of question in that chapter in a single video. All right, so welcome to today's class. Let me introduce myself, guys. My name is Gopal Paliwal. I'm a master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu, and I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad, and I have been teaching from the past 5 years and in Vedantu for past 2 years. So this is my third year right now. All right, so this is all about myself. Now let's talk about the topic quadratic equations. So before I start the revision, if you all remember, every class I give you a homework question which I will be discussing in the next class. So the question for today is this. Sorry, the question for the previous class was this. So what this question says, a goods train leaves the station at 6 p.m. followed by an express train which leaves at 8 p.m. So from here, guys, you got to know that the good train is leaving at 6 p.m. and the express train is leaving at 8 p.m. So there is a gap of 2 hours. Express train has 2 hours less, or no, 2 hours later it is leaving and travels 20 kilometer per hour faster than the goods train. All right, that is also okay. So if the goods train is suppose moving with speed x kilometer per hour, the speed of the express train will be x plus 20, है ना? So we have two trains beta, goods train and your express train. All right, and express train over here. The express train arrive at a station 1040 kilometer away 36 minutes before the goods train. So goods train is also coming to the same spot, which is 1040 kilometer. So you can see, guys, the distance is same for me in both the cases. Goods trains also 1040 kilometers, express train also 1040 kilometer. All right, so distance will be same in both the cases, 1040 kilometer in both the cases, right? Then let's talk about the speed. So we know speed of the goods train and express train. So express train speed is 20 kilometer per hour more. So if I say speed of the goods train is, let's say, x kilometer per hour, express train speed will be x plus 20 kilometer per hour, right? And guys, we know that time is equal to distance by speed. So time taken by the goods train to cover this journey will be 1040 upon x, and time taken by the express train to cover this journey will be 1040 divided by x plus 20. All right, beta, let's see how much is the difference in the time. देखो, goods train is leaving suppose at 6 o'clock, is given at that goods train is leaving at 6 o'clock. All right, and the express train is leaving at 8 o'clock. So here we have 2 hours gap. Express train is taking 2 hours less. Also, upon reaching the station, when the express train is reaching the final destination or the end station, goods train arrives 36 minutes later. ठीक है? So suppose at 6 a.m. goods train left. At 8 a.m. oh sorry, p.m. it is p.m. let's say p.m. the express train also left. So you can see 2 hours gap we have already over here. Now after some time, let's say after some time, express train has reached, but goods train will reach after 36 minutes. So overall extra time taken by the goods train will be 2 hours plus 36 minutes. The extra time which is taken by the goods train is 2 hour 30 minutes extra. So I can say time taken by the goods train to complete this journey is 2 hours 36 minutes more than the express train. So I can say it's a time taken by the goods train minus time taken by the express train will be equal to 2 hours 36 minutes. So we can convert this 36 minutes into hour, right? So time taken by the goods train, we have taken it as 1040 divided by x minus of 1040 divided by x plus 20, and 2 hour 30 minutes 36 minutes beta 2 plus minutes convert into hours, so divided by 60. 12 threes are 12 fives are 2 plus 3 by 5 will be 13 by 5. So this is my final equation. 1040 by x minus 1040 upon x plus 20 is equal to 13 by 5. This will be my equation. Now what I'll do, next step, take the LCM, find out the quadratic equation, and you will get the answer, right? So this is the final equation, beta. If you are able to get this equation, that means you were able to solve this question. If you have understood how to get this equation, then later solution you can do. All right. So now the student who has given the correct answer, unfortunately I got only one student who has given me the answer, that is Rashmeet. So very well done Rashmeet, very well done beta. But others, yeah, I would really encourage all of you to at least give the answer. Let's see whether it is right, wrong, or if you are getting any difficulty, so you can ask in the comment section and you can discuss. You can use this comment section to lead your discussion. Suppose if I have given the homework question, now suppose if you left that, oh, say you were able to make the equation till now over here, so you can write in the comment section that I got the time as for goods train as 1040 by x and express train as 1040 by x plus 20. Can anyone tell me what can be done next, how to make the equation? And then you can help each other. So let's make this a community which is learning from each other. All right. So the correct answer is given to me by Rashmi Thudda. So beta, you will just solve this equation. See, the final equation is over here. Take LCM. So here you will multiply with x plus 20, x plus 20. Here you will multiply with x. So 1040 into x. 1040 into 20 is 20,800 minus 1040x divided by x into x plus 20 is 13 by 5. So 1040x, this got cancelled. 20,800 is 13 by upon x square plus 20x is 13 by 5. You can say it is 13 ones are, it is 13 1600 times. So 1600 upon x square plus 20x is 1 by 5. Cross multiply. 1600 into 5 is 8000. So x square plus 820x. 8000 shifted over here will become minus 8000. So we want two numbers such that sum is 20, multiplication is equal to negative of 8000. Obviously, it will be 100 and minus 80. Right? So x minus 80, x plus 100 is your solution. So you got x is either equal to 80 or minus 100. Now I will say, sir, minus 100 will be rejected. So only one correct answer, x is equal to 80. That means speeds of the good train is 80 km per hour, which was x. And for the express train, it was x plus 20. So 80 plus 20, which is 100 km per hour. ठीक है बेटा. So please do try this question one more time on your own. All right, and this time the homework question for this session, I want more number of students to give me the answer. And if you get stuck, ask in the comment section. Ask, you can put your doubt. So this is my doubt, can anyone help? Let's see what other students can help you in this. So let's make this community a big community. All right. Okay. Chalo. So let's move ahead now with the revision of the session, what we have learned in this. So quadratic equations summarize. First thing, guys, we know quadratic equation is an equation of degree 2. So highest power of the variable is 2, degree 2. Right? And the general form for a quadratic equation we have got is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where the most important thing, a is not equal to 0. Coefficient of x square cannot be 0, because if coefficient of x square becomes 0, a itself becomes 0, and the degree no longer is 2, no longer it is a quadratic equation. Here beta, remember, b and c can be 0. Many students think that, sir, can b and c be 0? Yes, b and c can be 0. X term may be there, may not be there. Constant term may be there, may not be there, but x square term must be present. Other than x square term, x term and the constant term, no third term is allowed. So root x, x cube, x raised to the power 5, no other term will be allowed in a quadratic equation. Okay? Next, so graph, if I talk about the graph, I have told you graph of a quadratic equation is what? A parabola. You can think of it as a U shape. When you go for the higher grades, say grade 11, you will be studying about the parabola in detail. So that time we'll discuss this shape in more in detail. But right now just remember this U shape is called parabola. Alright. Next, roots of the quadratic equation. What are the roots, guys? Roots means zeros or the solution of a quadratic equation. So these are those values of x which satisfies the equation, which will satisfy this quadratic equation. Now, before I tell you about finding out the roots, how do we find out the nature of roots? But a simple thing, three conditions we have. If discriminant, what is d? D is called discriminant, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Its value is what? B square minus 4ac, and d is called discriminant. What it is called? Discriminant. So if discriminant is less than 0, we get imaginary roots, or better, write no real roots. Better way is to write no real roots. The roots are not real. Then discriminant is equal to 0. So when discriminant is equal to 0, we get real and equal roots, and this condition is very important. Real and equal roots, very important condition. Out of all three, this is the most important condition for getting real and equal roots. And then discriminant greater than 0, we get real and distinct. Remember, distinct means different. Now if d is greater than 0 and if it is a perfect square, the roots will be rational because the discriminant is inside the square root. And if d is greater than 0 and if it is not a perfect square, it will be irrational. So we know the quadratic formula beta. Quadratic formula, first factorization method, that is splitting the middle term. So I have told you, you have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 as your equation. So we need two numbers such that their addition is equal to b, which is coefficient of x, and two numbers such that their multiplication is a into c. So that is what we need to do. Once we got these two numbers, split the middle term, take common, you'll get the factorization. The next is quadratic formula. Guys, you can see over here, the discriminant is present in the square root. That is why I've told you, if discriminant is a perfect square, the roots will be rational because square root will be gone. And if discriminant is not a perfect square, roots will be irrational because square root will still be there. Alright, simple thing. Okay, and since it is in the square root, that is why it decides the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. I have told about this in detail. Please refer to the previous sessions. Okay, now applications में beta, there are word problems. For any word problem, not just specific to the quadratic equation. Let me tell you, for any word problem, guys, any word problem, you need to make sure that you follow the steps. First thing, guys, it is very important to reread the problem and visualize the problem. Try to see the problem, whatever is given in the problem. Suppose the homework question which I have told you, the train problem, I visualized this. I saw that, okay, distance is same for both. Speed, the express train is moving faster. Time, I have told distance by speed. Now, I need to get an equation, I need to relate both the times. I need to make a relationship between both the times of the goods train and the times of the express train. So I read the question properly, and with the information I saw that express train, first in the starting, it is starting 2 hours late and it is reaching 36 minutes early. So 2 hours over here, 36 minutes over here, total 2 hours 36 minutes is the extra time which it is 2 hours 36 minutes is the extra time which the goods train take to cover the same distance than the express train. So I got to know time taken by the goods train minus time taken by the express train is 2 hours 36 minutes. Right? So that is what you need to understand. Visualizing the problem is very important, and when you visualize the problem, then only you need to strategize about it. Make a strategy. that okay, these are the informations given. How do I get an equation? Always focus on getting an equation. Always focus on getting an equation. That is the most important part. All right, guys. So these are the tricks to solve any word problem. All right, and obviously, yeah, it comes with practice. Try to solve different kinds of questions. Try to see if you see a distance speed question. Try to see, okay, this is how I deduce the equation. Whenever you are solving any word problem, na beta. Suppose you didn't get the solution. Now, suppose you were not able to solve the homework question. Now, once I have taught you the solution, your major focus should be on getting the solution, getting the equation. Once we have got the equation solution, very easy. We can solve. We have solved many questions related to that. Main thing is getting the equation. So, if you do not understand how the equation is there, revise back, see again, read, look at each and everything carefully. If possible, pause it and look at whatever I have written and then try to deduce what the question was saying and how do we convert it into mathematical equation. So these are the tricks and tips to solve any word problem, not only for quadratic equation, from anywhere. All right, beta. So this kind of, like, what I'm telling you, what I mean is these kind of strategy and these kind of tricks only will help you to go further. So this guidance is very important whenever you are studying. Do believe me, whenever you are studying anything, and that too at this particular age, a guidance is must. Now, this guidance can be in any form. It can be from any of your, say, parents, from any of your siblings. It can be from a friend, anyone, any teacher. But a guidance is required. All right. It can be from us also, and from Vedantu's, any courses if you have taken anywhere. The guidance is required so that you understand these tricks, these tips. You get to know that which questions are important, where to focus the energy. All that thing is very important. All right, so now let's focus our energy towards the solving the questions. All right, now before I move ahead, guys, please make sure that you are liking this video. All right, this will means a lot to me, and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel. Subscribe button is right over there, so if you have not subscribed, subscribe it. All right, now let's solve these questions better. What the question is saying over here, let's see. If x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2 by 3 are solutions of this quadratic equation, find the values of m and n. Beta dekho, the thing to focus over here is that x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 2 by 3 are solutions. This is the main word for me in this question. This is the main word. I saw this word, I got to know what to do. Why? Because I know if x equal to minus 3 and 2 by 3 are solution, they must satisfy the equation. All right, so let's make them satisfy. So let's say, sir, when x is equal to minus 3, the equation will be m into minus 3 square plus 7 into minus 3 plus n equal to 0. Minus 3 square is 9. 9m minus 21 plus n equal to 0. So 9m plus n equal to 21. This is one equation I have got in m and n. This is the first equation which I have got in m and n. Let's get one more equation. The next equation, let's write it over here. Let's put x equal to 2 by 3. So it will be m into 2 by 3 whole square plus 7 into 2 by 3 plus n equal to 0. So what are you getting, guys? 2 by 3 whole square is 4 by 9. So 4m by 9 plus 7 to the 14 by 3 plus n. Now if we take LCM, 9 will be the common denominator. It will be 4m into 3. 14 3s are 42. Alright, into 3 will do over here, right? To create the common denominator 9. And here what will do, beta? Into 9 into 9. So plus 9n equal to 0. Equal to 0. Right? It is what the equation is. Now shift this 9 over there. 0 into 9 is what? 9 only. So we have 4m plus 9n plus 42 equal to 0. Shift 42 over there. We have 4m plus 9n is equal to minus 42. Alright, this is my second equation. This is my second equation. Now let's solve these two equations. Let's use elimination method. So first equation number 1. All right, equation number 1. Let's say I want to eliminate n. So here coefficient of n is 1. Here it is 9. So equation 1, if I will multiply it with 9, my equation will be 9 into 9 is 81m plus 9n is equal to 21 into 9 is 189. Equation 2 I am writing as it is because now the coefficients of n are same, which is 4m plus 9n is equal to minus 42. Let us change the signs. So if I subtract, what I am doing, I am subtracting. So let us change the sign, minus, minus, plus. Because of the subtraction, 9 and minus 9n got cancelled. Alright. And I can say, sir, 81m minus 4m will be equal to 77m is equal to 9 plus 2, 11, power 1, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, power 1, 231. Alright, and 77m is equal to 231 divided by 77. If we'll do, I think it is 3 times 77 3s are 21 power 2, yes, 77 3s are. So m is equal to 3. We have got m equal to 3. Put m equal to 3 in any of the equation. Let's say equation number 1. Let's say you put it in equation number 1. So 9m plus n is equal to 21. So 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27 plus n is equal to 21. So you'll get n is equal to 21 minus 27, which is equal to minus 6. Alright. So my solution is m is equal to 3, n is equal to minus 6. So we started with the concept of quadratic equation and then we went for linear equation in two variables as well. So both the chapters concepts are combined in this question. Right, we have solved linear equation in two variables over here. So this is how this question will be solved. Easy. Next question. Find the value of m so that this equation below has equal roots. I have told you beta, real and equal roots is the most important condition. Most important. Also find the solution of this equation. So first let's find out what is the value of m, right? So my equation I have over here is x square minus of m plus 2 into x plus m plus 5 equal to 0. This is my equation and I know for this equation we have real and equal roots. And I know for real and equal roots, it simple means discriminant must be equal to 0. So here coefficient of x square a will be 1. Coefficient of x will be minus of m plus 2 and constant term c is equal to m plus 5. Alright, so I can say guys discriminant must be equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So we have got minus of m plus 2. B is that its whole square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is m plus 5, that is equal to 0. Now see, minus any minus, if we'll do the whole square, minus is gone and remaining is m plus 2 whole square. So m plus 2 whole square will be m square plus 4m plus 4. And here minus 4 into m is minus 4m. Minus 4 into 5 is minus 20 equal to 0. Sorry. Here it is plus 4 na? M square plus 4m plus 4. M plus 2 whole square. Minus 4 into m is minus 4m minus 20. Plus 4m minus 4m got cancelled. Minus 20 plus 4 is minus 16. So m square minus 16 equal to 0. Shift minus 16 over there. M square is equal to 16. And guys, if m square is 16, we know m can be plus 4 as well as minus 4. Very important, we have got two values of m over here. M can be plus 4 as well as m can be minus 4 also, because m square is 16. So 4 square is also 16, minus 4 square is also 16. So m is plus minus 4. Now let's see what will be our equation. All right. So case 1 guys, if I take m equal to 4, the equation will be x square minus 4 plus 2 is minus 6x, 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 9 equal to 0. So you can clearly see it will be x square minus, so it is minus 2 into 3 into x, so it is x minus 3 whole square. So x minus 3 into x minus 3, this will be the factorization. Real and equal roots, we can say roots, x equal to 3 will be the solution. Second case, let's put m equal to minus 4. So it will be x square minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus of minus, negative is also there, will be plus 2. So plus 2x. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. So plus 1 equal to 0. And this is nothing but guys, x plus 1 whole square. So x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. And when I'll solve this, I'll say, sir, x equal to minus 1 is the solution. So if I have m equal to 4, in that case, x equal to 3 is the solution. If I have m equal to minus 4, in that case, x equal to minus 1 is my solution. ठीक है बेटा, if m is equal to 4, x equal to 3 is the solution. If m equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 1 is our solution. As simple as that. ठीक है, चलो let's move ahead now. Now before I move ahead, if you remember, I was talking about the guidance. You need guidance to solve some good questions, to make an understanding about the examination, all those purpose. And if you don't have, like, if you feel like you cannot get enough time from the parents or say siblings, or you need a guidance from expertise, from particular expertise, Vedantu Pro Subscription will be very helpful for you all. All right, now let me tell you how much expertise we at Vedantu have. You can just be sure about it with this Vedantu's improvement promise. Yes guys, first time ever, we or anyone else has never provided this guarantee. We are giving you the guarantee of your improvement. So we are giving you guaranteed improvement. That's what I am telling you. Yes, you heard it right. We are giving you that guarantee. You join Vedantu, you will improve. It's nothing like you can improve. No, you will improve. Guarantee of your improvement. And if you do not, then what? It's as simple as that. We have taken the guarantee. If we do not fulfill our promise, all your course fee which you have paid will be returned. Yes, you heard me right. Your course fee, you take your whole course fee back if you do not improve in your marks. That's what the confidence we have. Now, what are the features will be experiencing when you'll be taking the Vedantu Pro subscription? So first thing, guys, you'll be getting unlimited live classes. You can attend as many classes as you want, no limit on that, and all classes are going to be filled with fun and high level quizzes. Next thing, students from the different part of the world. So what will be there is like you'll get to see where do you actually stand. All right, what you need to do to improve. You can also learn from them, they can also learn from you. So cultural interaction will be there, right? Awesome thing that is. And all, then the next thing is interactive replay. Simple thing beta. What I mean over here is, yeah, देखो, when in the live classes you will be able to attend the quizzes, all that, even while watching the recording. Now suppose when you watch the recording on YouTube, most of the time, like even any recording you'll watch, you cannot attend the quiz in the recording, है ना? Even if suppose when I have come live, I have taken the Menti, later if you are watching this video again, you cannot attend the Menti quiz, है ना? That is there, you cannot see your marks, how much you will be able to solve and all that. But at Vedantu's Pro subscription, once you are watching the the recording of your class is over, you are watching the recording, even during that also beta, you can see the quizzes, you can attempt those quizzes, you will get marks for those quizzes, and you can see your name in the leaderboard, just to be sure that how much you have understood the concept. Next, notes, quality test, assignments. Also, you can just imagine how much we take care of your doubts. We know doubts are the most important part of any class, and that is why in all the classes other than the master teacher, there will be dedicated teachers who will be taking care of your doubts. Yes, dedicated teacher just to take care of your doubts. They will be available. Whatever doubt you are getting when I am teaching, or when any teacher is teaching, you can quickly ask them, so that you don't have to wait till the end of the class to get your doubts resolved. Sometimes you might forget, sometimes, or what happens is most of the time you'll be thinking about the doubt only, so the remaining portion of the becomes a doubt for you. So that is why all the doubts will be solved in the real time. All right. Also, there are unlimited micro courses and crash courses. So with the help of this, you can study a topic as many times as you want. You can revise any topic as many times as you want. No restriction. Take as many micro courses as you want. Register yourself for whatever courses you want. All right. It's all up to you how much you can study. Okay. So this all is available at a very genuine price, beta. The registration, for that you need to do the registration to get the benefit of all these classes. The link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. All right, just go there and don't forget to apply the coupon code GPE Pro to get 10% off. Now let me quickly show you how you can do all that. Simple, beta. Let's say, oh, let's say you have gone to this video. Now in this video, guys, you can clearly see that in the comment section here you can see subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. One link is given. Either click on this link, or in the description box here you can see register for Vedantu Pro subscription. Click on this link. All right, once we have clicked on this link, then click on edit. Now here you have grade 10th and grade 10th ICSE. If you want to change your board or change your grade, you can do it. All right, by clicking over here, then click on get started. All right, now here you have three courses, guys: Pro Lite, Pro Classic and Pro Plus. Pro Lite comes with all the features which I have told you till now. These are the part of the basic course: live classes, test series, assignments, notes and doubt solving during the class. All that will be under the Pro Lite. Pro Classic has all these features plus one extra feature of doubt solving on mobile app. So even suppose the class is over, you got a doubt in any question. Now what you can do is, whatever doubt you have, just click the photo of that doubt, post it in the doubts app, you will get the solution for it along with the explanation. And then the last one, Pro Plus. Under Pro Plus beta, you get the doubt solving on mobile app plus all the basic features plus one more important feature, that is personal mentor. Personal mentor, you can think of them as the teacher or motivator, supporter, your guide in this journey, who will take care of each and every problem you will face. Any doubt you have, academic, non-academic, you can always reach out to them and they'll be the first person to help you. So these are the features, and feature wise the three courses has different prices, right? So you can go for any course. Suppose if you go for Pro Lite, you want to suppose try, let's say you have never experienced Vedantu's Pro subscription, you can do one thing, beta, click on try for 1 month and you can try it, and the price is like around 3000 something. All right, once suppose you have the 1 month is over, now you are satisfied that yes sir, it is for me, I am understanding everything, then buy the complete course. Once you buy the complete course, beta, this will be your price for buying the complete course. Also EMI option is available. So suppose this price altogether paying is different, don't worry, our EMI option is also available. Now before you go for buying, please make sure here GPE Pro is applied so that you get the 10% discount. All right, okay, any other query you have, please refer to the bottom of this page. Here you'll see frequently asked question and all the questions will be answered over here. ठीक है बच्चों, so this is all very good course for you, a good guidance you're going to get with this subscription. All right, let's move ahead now. The next question is this. What it says: 2x upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 9 upon x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So solve it. Simple, yeah. Let's start with taking LCM. All right, so we have 2x upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 9 upon x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. अब बेटा देखो, to make the denominator common, this fraction I will multiply it with the 2x plus 3 and here also 2x plus 3. This fraction I'll multiply with x minus 3 and here also x minus 3. So now the denominator is x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. Here also x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. Here also x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. Common denominator we have got now. Alright. So now this question can be written as x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. Here 2x into 2x plus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 is x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. Alright. So x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 will be equal to what, guys? It will be x into 2x square. X into 3 is plus 3x. Minus 3 into 2x is minus 6x. Minus 3 into plus 3 is minus 9. Here 2x into 2x is 4x square. 2x into 3 is plus 6x plus x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. Alright. It is equal to 0. So this part all can go. No need to multiply. It all will go there. Yeah? No need to write all that. Suppose if I shift this x minus 3 to 2x plus 3 over there, it all will go equal to 0. It will become. Yes or no? No need to multiply all that. Easy. So equal to 0 it will become if I shift it over there. So now what we have the equation, we have 4x square. 6x plus x is 7x. Plus 3x is plus 10x. Minus 3 plus 9 is plus 6 equal to 0. This is my quadratic equation. I want two numbers such that addition is 10, multiplication is 4 into 6, 24. Numbers are 4 and 6 only. So we have 4x square. 10x I will write it as 4x plus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. Take 4x common, you are left with x plus 1. Here take plus 6 common, you are left with x plus 1 equal to 0. So we are left with x plus 1 into 4x plus 6 equal to 0. So what are the values of x, and we are getting from here, we are getting x is equal to minus 1. From here we'll say x is equal to 4x plus 6. So it will be 2x plus 4x plus 6. Okay, so it will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Ab beta dekho, remember both the values will not be acceptable. This I will not accept. This value of x will not be acceptable because in the original equation, guys, we have 2x plus 3 and we know denominator can never be 0. We know denominator can never be 0. That is why here from here they go better. I know denominator can never be 0 in any equation. That is why here I have written x minus 3 should not be equal to 0. So we have got x should not be equal to 3 and 2x plus 3 should not be equal to 0. That is why we have got x should not be equal to minus 3 by 2. Yes or no? That is why these two conditions are given. So obviously this answer will not be accepted. Only one answer, that is x equal to minus 1. So it is very important that you reject the answer. Out of the answers which you are getting, if one of the value is not acceptable, rejecting that also is very important. Okay? So minus 3 by 2 will be rejected. Alright, very good concept which we have learned from this question. Next one, solve the equation. How easy it is here. So what do we have? 2x minus 1 by x upon 7. So 2x minus 1 by x is equal to 7. Here suppose if it is 1, multiply with x, here also x. So we are left with 2x square minus 1 upon x is 7. Shift x over there. So 2x square minus 1 is equal to 7x. Shift 7x over there. 2x square minus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. A bit of splitting the middle term will not work over here. So we have to use quadratic formula. So x will be minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So it will be minus of, what is a, b and c? A is 2 for this equation. B is minus 7. C is minus 1. Right? So minus of minus 7 plus minus square root of minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is minus 1 divided by 2 into 2. So we are getting 7 plus minus square root of 49 Minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. 4 plus 2 is 4, sorry, 4 into 2 is plus 8 divided by 4. So we have got 7 plus minus square root of 57. Sorry, if you not 57, 57 divided by 4. Now 57 is 19 into 3. So already it is in the simplest form. So find out the square root of 57. You can solve it using the find out using long division method, square root of 57. So square root of 57 decimal form will be 7.55. Okay, 7.55. So one value will be 7 plus 7.55. Other value will be 7 minus 7.55 by 4. Okay, so this will be your answer. Easy question. Okay, next question now. In an auditorium, seats were arranged in rows and columns. The number of rows was equal to number of seats in each row. When the number of rows was doubled, the number of seats in each row was reduced by 10. The total number of seats increases by 300. Find first the number of rows in the original arrangement. Second, the number of seats in the auditorium after rearrangement. Okay, so there is an auditorium beta. The seats are arranged row wise, like row is like this. This is called rows, and this way it is called columns. Right? So what will be the total number of seats? Suppose guys, see they are clearly given that number of rows was equal to number of seats in each row. So number of rows, whatever number of rows are there, that many whatever number of rows are there. So number of rows, suppose 1, 2, 3. If the number of rows is x, that means seats are in the column. So in this row there are x seats. Here also x seats. That means number of columns also is equal to x. Number of rows is x, number of columns is x. So I can say total number of seats. Total number of seats in this arrangement will be x into x, which is x square, obviously. Na? Suppose if I say there are 10 rows. In each row, there are, let's say, 10 seats. Total number of seats, 10 into 10, 100 seats, 10, 10, 10, 10, like that. Okay? Now what they are saying, when the number of rows was doubled, case 2. So this is your case 1, original case. Case 2, now I am making some changes. What changes I am making, beta? The number of rows was doubled. So now I can say number of rows is 2x, and number of seats in each row was reduced by 10. That means number of columns. Number of seats in each row will be representing the columns. So columns is reduced by 10. That means now the columns are x minus 10. The total number of seats increased by 300. So now I can say, sir, total number of seats according to this arrangement, number of rows into number of columns, which is 2x into x minus 10. This is the total number of seats, and this arrangement gives 300 seats extra than the previous one. So 300 seats extra. I know in the previous arrangement, beta, we had x plus y seats. Sorry, x square seats. In the previous arrangement, we had x square seats, and now we have 300 extra seats. So plus 300. This will be my new total number of seats. This will give me the final equation. So 2x into x is 2x square, then minus 20x is equal to x square plus 300. Shift everything over there. 2x square minus x square is x square, minus 20x minus 300 is equal to 0. Now I want two numbers such that their multiplication is minus 300 and their addition is minus 20. All right. So you want two numbers such that their addition is minus 20 and their multiplication is equal to minus 300. Simple. Minus 30 and 10. So you'll get x square minus 30x plus 10x minus 300 equal to 0. So the factorization will be x minus 30 into x plus 10 equal to 0. This is the factorization. X minus 30 into x plus 10 equal to 0. That means number of, so before I go ahead, so I can say x minus 30 into x plus 10 equal to 0. So we can say x is either equal to 30 or x is either equal to minus 10. Now I know x cannot be negative because x represents number of rows or number of columns, which cannot be negative. It's a natural number. First one, find the number of rows in the original arrangement. So number of rows in the original arrangement is x. So first one answer, x 30. Number of rows in the original arrangement is 30. Number of seats in the auditorium after rearrangement. Second question. So beta dekho, everything you can get now. Yeah? In the first case, number of rows is 30. Columns are also 30. So x square will be 30 into 30, 900 seats we had. And now we have 300 seats extra. We can say 1200. Or rows are 2 into x. So 2 into 30. We know number of seats in the next second arrangement is 2x into x minus 10. X is 30. So 2 into 30 will be 60. Into 30 minus 10 is 20. 60 into 20 is 1200. Simple. Alright. This is how this question will be solved. So getting x is the main part of this question. Alright beta. Okay, so this is all in today's class. I hope your revision will be clear. Please go through each and every concept, especially nature of roots is the most important concept which you'll be learning in this chapter. Now this is your homework question and I would like all of you to give the answer for the homework question in the comment section. Those students who will give me the correct answer, their name I will show in the next class. Alright, so do let us know what will be your homework in the comment section down below. Read carefully and then give me your answer. Alright guys, now as I have told you already about Vedantu's Pro Subscription. Alright, I have already told you about Vedantu's Pro Subscription. The link is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. GPE Pro is your code to get 10% off. Now coming to Vedantu's Pro Subscription, Vedantu's Improvement Promise, I have told you beta, guaranteed improvement. Full responsibility of your studies. If you do not improve, take the whole course fee back. Yes, what do we want? Just be our student for the whole year. Alright, just buy the complete course. Be with us for the whole year. So long term. Be our long-term student. Second thing, what? Attend minimum 75% of the class and take minimum 75% of the test. Because taking course only is not only sufficient, you need to come to the classes as well, right? Now we know sometimes you might miss the class because of maybe internet issue or maybe some personal work. So 75% we have kept. You never say 100% because then it becomes sometimes impossible. If you will miss a class because of internet issue, that way we cannot say we promised only on 100%. No, 75%, that much number of classes are there for all these things where you might not attend because of some personal issue or say internet issue, all that. But attend 75% of the classes, which is very normal, and 75% of the test you complete. We take the guarantee that you will improve. All right. ठीक है बच्चों, so this is all from my side in today's class. Thank you so much. Before I go, please give me a quick high five in the chat box, guys. Quick high five, and thank you so much for joining the session. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.